Here we are with the big snowstorm. So we got quite a bit. I'm gonna get the snowblower out. I should go out and get that newspaper first. But yeah, I'm gonna try and make a quick video of me snowblowing the driveway a little bit. So just check on this here. It still seems okay. Yeah, we're supposed to get an additional 3 to 6 inches on top of this. If I can get my glove on, I can see we got quite a bit. Wow. It's like as long as my glove there. That's got to be at least a foot right there. Alright, so let's try to get the snowblower out. Alright, let's see how good this cold starts with the pull start. Because my old one, you can't even when it's warm, you can't pull start it. You have to use the electric start. I haven't really been able to figure out why it's doing that. Fuel is on. Alright, let's fire it up. Look at that, one pull. That's what I like to see. Anyway, I think it did a pretty good job overall. Got all that cleaned out. It did seem to struggle a little bit down at the end there where the heavy snow from the plows is. It is kind of a heavier snow, but I don't know what 10. They don't rate them by horsepower anymore. It's 10 foot-pounds of gross torque, whatever that translates to horsepower, but I don't think it translates to 8 horsepower because I think that one's a little bit more powerful than this. But still, overall, I think it did a pretty darn good job. So I'm pleased with it. Anyway, well, that was just a short little update about the snowstorm. If I have any more to film, I'll film it later.